Okay, so just because we don't have a lot of room on the whiteboard, we're down to solving this equation, A equals CD, and then once you're at B greater than 1. Okay. So when B equals 1, we found 729 cases. For B not equal to 1 and A equal to 1, that forced CD to be equal to 1.
Yeah.
And that's where we found the 8. So that's how we'll keep track of there. For A equals 2, we found 16 cases. All right. What do you think is going to happen for A equals 3?
Well, we're also going to get 16 cases because there's 1 and 3 or 3 and 1.
1 and 3 and 3 and 1. So there'll be 16 cases. What do you notice now?
Well, I mean, it's the factors of, or the ways to factor the number.
Okay.
Multiplied by 8 seem to give you.
It's the ways to factor the number multiplied by 8. So what do you think is the next easiest A to talk about now?
Well, the primes, so 5 and 7.
All right, so 5 and 7.
So 5 and 7 are both going to be 16.
5 and 7 are both going to be 16. All right.
Probably 4, 6, and 9 are all going to be the same. Well, actually not. 4 and 9 are going to be the same because
Oh, they're squares.
1 and 4 are 2 and 2, 4 and 1.
Okay.
So 4 and 9 have 24.
4 and 9 have 24.
6 and 8 are both different. So 6 is 1 and 6, 2 and 3, 3 and 2. 6 and 1.
Okay.
So 6 has 32. And 8 actually has 32 as well.
Okay. So we have 8 times 1, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 4, 3. So let's see, that's 1, 3, 5, 8, 10, 16. Plus 7 is 23. So can you just double check that I counted that right? That it was 8 times 23. So 8 times 1. Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, so what's 8 times 23?
So that would be 160 plus 24, so it's 184.
184. Plus the 729. From before.
And that gets us 913 cases.
It's like 913. Alright, so what was the idea in solving this?
So first we looked at just ignoring B, just setting it equal to 1, so it didn't matter. We found 729. And then for B not equal to 1, we had to simplify the equation a bit. And then we just looked what happened when A was 1, A was 2. And the values for A influences CD.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
we get the cases, then multiply them by 8.
Alright, so there was one easy case, B equals 1. And then the other cases for B not equal to 1 came from rearranging the equation and noticing that B canceled out, which was cool. So it meant B could take 8 values there on those ones. And then we had a slightly easier equation to solve, A equals CD. And then so we really had 2 cases, 2 large groups, B equals 1 and B not equal to 1. And the larger group, B not equal to 1, broke down into 8 very straightforward cases with A. So the last thing we should do is just go, let's write a simple little Mathematica code and let's see if we got this right.
Alright.
Alright.